Welcome to Research Rocks. In this video, we will see if you are living in Denmark in Copenhagen and you want buy some garden material. So this video is very important for you. Which website and which store are providing you such kind of material and very cheapest price and affordable price compared to especially in Bahus and Silvan. This platform are providing you more cheap. So which one? We will see detailed demonstration. Before start the video, please subscribe our YouTube channel Research Rocks. So simply first of all open the Google and just type here Hey Hedel, enter. Sorry about the pronunciation because of this is a Danish word, and this platform are providing you more cheap soil, sand and some other product related on your garden. So we can click here and look at this. The website mostly in Danish, and if you purchase something in greater than 799, so they are providing you absolutely free delivery services also. If you purchase something, so definitely you are paying greater than 799. So which types of product they are selling here, all product details are available. Sand related products is available. So look at this, the such kind of sand they are providing and if you are purchasing this one, so this one is enough for one single villa, or if you can buy some one bag, two bag, or greater than 3-4 bags. And look at this, they are providing hand stone also, different types of stones, and which stone you want require accordingly you should buy. Ploughed also they are providing for the gardening and your house also. Look at this here, you can go one by one. They are providing some tanks also, water tanks, and more interesting they are providing some of the granite black stone, so like black 5.8 mm, 8.11 mm, 11.60 mm, which you need to require accordingly you should buy. So I go with that, like 8.11 mm, and afterwards the size like this, look like this, and I won't buy this one bag, and one bag 1000 kilograms and 1600 best price per kilogram. If you purchase like greater than 2, so you need to pay 1243 Danish krona. They are providing 50 Danish krona as discount if you purchase greater than 2. Here prices are available. If you purchase 1000 or if you purchase 1600 kilograms, so you need to pay more 500, and at curve free delivery. Of course if you purchase this one, this is a free delivery. Pickup options they also providing, but the car deliveries are option available. 1 to 5 working days they are deliver the specific product. So I click the specific add to bucket. Afterwards here, if you want purchase something, so you should purchase, otherwise go to that view bucket, delivery method. So you need to provide your address. So first of all I go with login, so send to the another address, the name I add here, the address. So how you pay this money, like in mobile pay, via bill, or bank transfer, or any other. So I go with mobile pay directly. Yes, I accept all condition and the checkout. So look at this, the payment is done. Today is the 19th of June. This is my email address, payment related information, even delivery address. So here is the delivery address and here is my original address and related information. So everything is done. I am receiving email as well, hope so. Probably if I this one, yes, I received the email as well. So this is a simple process, and this is one of the best platform to purchase garden related products. So look at this, after purchasing they are home delivery like this. अब रेती दे कित ये क्या है? It's very nice service. They are doing the home delivery, and the company name is like this. I already put it the link in video description. Huge number of and sand.